Okay, let's see what's in this box.
Slide out.
Does it slide out? Okay. AZDome Streaming Media Mirror DashCam. So this can act like a normal mirror, like your normal. It fits over top of your rearview mirror, just like mine does, right?
Yeah. Nice box.
Your car companion.
Your car companion.
Yeah.
Oh, this is a really nice box.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. So it should just clip right onto the mirror.
Cool.
Mm-hmm. Hello.
Oh, I see it.
You see it?
Yeah, it's a little
tab. Okay. So this would be a touch screen. So like the other one, you have to unplug it every time because it'll stay on. Plug. Remove excess dirt. Personal screen cleaner. Huh, interesting.
cool.
Comes with a card.
Yeah, keep all that stuff.
Here's the bands that go with this.
Oh, that holds it on?
Yeah, this is what holds it on.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah. Yeah, it's pretty cool. And let's have fingernails. There.
Oh, I'm excited.
Yeah.
Thank you, sweetheart.
Mm-hmm.
This is for both of us because the car is yours and mine.
Mm-hmm.
Everything we own is ours
Yeah.
because we're.
This adjusts.
What's that for?
This is the front-facing camera.
Oh, yeah.
And then there'll be a plug, and there's a rear-facing camera as well.
Oh, that goes in the back.
Yeah. It will attach it to the windshield. So, like, you can either attach it on the outside or the inside, but like I like the way I have mine. Mine's attached to the inside with two-way tape that they give you here. It's like real strong two-way tape, and it's lasted a long time. So these are the wires that go to the back. Here's the back camera
Oh, I see it.
right here, and then you just put the two-way tape here and attach it to the glass, and then you can adjust it here.
Okay.
So we have to tighten this up.
Yeah.
So I need the screwdriver for that.
Yeah. Kind of screwdriver.
Here's the mounting bracket. Here's the two-way tape. It looks like Phillips head screwdriver.
Okay.
This is to clean it.
Wow.
These are little clips so that the cord, but we'll run the cord. And this is a GPS. The GPS. I don't use the GPS on mine. So more of these in case they get stretched out, I guess.
Very cool.
Yeah, that's it.
What are these over here? The two-way tapes?
So this is, if you're running the cord, you can like tuck the cord into these little clips. And that tape, you can like tape it to your roof or the floor or wherever you want to run the cord.
Okay.
So,
Cool.
but
We can do that later today if you want.
I'm gonna do it right now.
Okay, I'll come out and help, okay? Because I could take a video.
That'd be great. You can show people how to do it.
Yeah, we'll put our coats on though. How cool is that? Thank you for getting that for us for Christmas, baby.
Absolutely.
That's a wonderful Christmas present for both of us. And then I can actually learn how to use it so I can use it in your car too, because I never really know how to use it.
Yeah. But if for some reason it fails, you just turn it off, and then you can use this. See how it reflects? You can use it like a regular rearview mirror. You know what I'm saying? So like, so.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, and if for some reason you don't want to do that, you can just take it off.
Right.
And just use the regular rearview mirror.
We'll take everything.
But once the backup camera is projected, you'll see the camera will be recording, but you'll see it through the camera. It's kind of cool.
Yeah, we'll take it all out.
All right.
The other one. That's pretty cool. I'll take these, leave these bags in here for now. We don't need these bags, right? We'll keep everything together in the end.
So that's where that goes. SD card. All right, cool.
It's pretty cool.
Yeah.
All right. I'm excited.
All right.
I thought you might be getting that, but I wasn't sure.
Yeah.